Hey kid, where's Taryl at?
My name's Taryl, I'm right here. What do you need?
Talking about your daddy, not you.
Why? What you got in the tote, Slippers?
None of your business, it's not for you. Now is he here or what?
Well, I guess if you must know, he's in the back. Take your crap and go in the back.
Ugh. Can you at least get the door, kid? This thing's real heavy.
Now.
Come on, respect your elders.
All right.
Hey, Taryl, I am gonna hook you up.
What do you want, Slippers? I'm busy.
Wait till you see what I got in here for you. Those cats are getting pretty big.
Yeah, and I'm training them to attack old people.
Oh, that's not very nice, Taryl. Especially after you see what I got in here for you.
I'm busy, Slippers, and I'm sure whatever you got in that bin is a bunch of crap anyway.
Oh, so you're not interested in tools anymore?
All right, Slippers, bring that bin over by my bench, and we'll take a look inside. Why didn't you tell me you had tools in there?
Well, I wanted it to be a surprise, Taryl. Oh, this thing's heavy. There's some high-dollar items in here, too. All right, check it out.
Oh, wow. When you said tools, Slippers, I thought you had like hand tools, like wrenches and hammers and stuff. But these are like electrical test equipment tools, huh?
Oh, yeah, all kinds of goodies in there.
Where'd you get this stuff?
Just laying around my garage. Just cleaning it out.
Yeah, well, where did you get it?
From my garage.
I understand it was in your garage. How did it get in your garage? Where did it come from?
Oh. You know, just collecting stuff over time. Just put it in there, forgetting that I had it.
Let's look at this one here on top. This looks like an old school analog meter. You know, the meters they got now, they're all, you can hold them in your hand. This is some old school technology here. Where's the little wires that plug into there? Oh, everything's in the back here. Oh, here's all the stuff, and oh, there's little diagrams on the back to show you how to test different things. And there's even a place for a 9-volt battery. You don't have no manual or nothing on this, huh, Slippers?
No, not for that one, no.
It's got diode test, AC volts, ohms, AC amps. Huh, that's pretty neat. That's some old school technology there.
Yeah, there you go. It's all yours, buddy.
Let's see what else you got in here, Slippers. What's this? Oh, this thing's pretty heavy. What the heck is this thing?
Yeah, I don't know nothing about that thing.
It says Taryl on it. Electro Specialties. Voltage increase, fail, on, reset. Got some kind of couple of different probes on here. Oh, it's a high pot tester. You know what a high pot tester is, Slippers?
I haven't the slightest idea. I don't even know where I got that from.
It's the opposite of a continuity tester. A continuity tester, you want to see if voltage is going through something. This is the opposite. You want to hook it to something and make sure there's no voltage going through it.
Ah, I see.
And then when you increase the voltage, that'll, add more volts to it. And then eventually, sometimes, it might get to the point where voltage passes through. Boy, that's old.
Yeah, probably almost as old as me.
Well, I got no use for that.
I don't even know if it works.
And what is this thing? Merc-o-tronic.
That's a merc-o-tronic.
Yeah, Slippers, I know that's what it said on there.
Oh, yeah.
Merc-o-tronic. And this has got some leads all bundled together, zip tied together. Coil power test, meter set, condenser leakage and short, condenser series resistance for testing coils and different. Oh, you got a manual for this.
Oh, yeah, there's a manual for that.
Here's the whole manual. Ignition analyzer. Wow. Oh,
Little spark plug in
there's
there.
even a
for you.
free spark plug in there. Looks like a brand new spark plug. It's just all dirty.
Clean it up.
See, it's got Briggs and Stratton stapled on here. Coil specifications. Oh, that's interesting. Got a bunch of different specs for different coils. Got a bunch of company coils in here. Continental, Delco. This is some more old school stuff. Tecumseh Power Products, Lawson. Whoa. Well, you got the manual on that.
Yeah, there you go. It's all yours, buddy.
Wow, thanks, Flippers. What else we got? Let's see what else we got in here. Smithsonian know you got all this stuff, Slippers?
Maybe.
You know you're supposed to give it back.
Well, I'm giving it to you now.
What's this? This is a toy.
Oh, how did Eleanor get in there? That's not supposed to be in there. I'm taking this back. That's mine.
Well, you can have your toy, Slippers. I don't want your toys.
Mother must have thrown that in. Trying to get rid of my stuff.
Is that from the original? It's Gone in 60 Seconds?
Well, yeah, that's the only one I know of.
That's a good movie. Got us an Ames cylinder gauge, number 30. Oh, this has got instructions. Oh, this is for measuring the bore in cylinders. Any kind of cylinder, not just engine cylinders. And this has got some kind of adapters on there, and it's also a handle.
Oh, how about that? I didn't even know about that.
And then you slide it into the bore. You put whatever tip you want on the other end, depending on the size of the bore. And then you can measure it. You can see what it measures.
Really?
Slide it in and out. That's what these little runners on the side are for. Oh, that's pretty nifty. I could probably use that.
Well, there you go.
Let me see what else is in here. Stuart Warner portable hand tachometer. I got a use for this on the Palomino.
Oh, great.
That wasn't funny, Slippers.
I didn't even know that was in there, I promise. Somebody just gave that thing to me.
Well, the tachometer is in there.
Oh, well, great.
Wow, this thing is really old. Like you, Slippers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it had like a suction cup on the end, but the suction cup is all distorted. So you could stick it on the end of a shaft, and when it spins, it'll read the RPMs.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Both ways, forward and backwards.
How about that?
Yeah, I got a use for this. Maybe I can find another rubber end, you know, off of one of those valve lapping tools.
There you go. You can order just a tip.
Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a use for that. I'm going to keep that, Slippers.
Well, there you go.
Oh, it's another toy. The Road Warrior. It's Wes.
Ugh, how did Wes get in there?
If he's alive, I want him.
Well, he's mine, so I want him. I don't know how that got in there, I promise. Mother always trying to get rid of my goodies. Well, I don't even know what this thing is, Taryl. It's got a Briggs and Stratton part number on it. Maybe you know what it is.
19242, 120 volt accessory.
I'm thinking it's some sort of accessory.
Yeah, That's what accessory means. It goes with something else.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Just like your pants and your shirt are accessories.
Oh, really? I never even knew that.
Let's crack it open and see what this thing is. AC volt amp adapter, 16 amp max. Connect red and black plugs into VOA tester. Set tester knob to AC. Plug motor into adapter. Oh, this is for reading voltage on, I think, an electric motor. This goes with this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, see how it says to plug it into the VOA tester, and that's what this is.
Oh, nice.
And that goes there, and that goes here. And then
Good deal.
from what it says, you plug this into the wall, and then you're supposed to plug some electric motor into here. You know who would know more about this? My brother Farrell. I'm gonna have to give my brother Farrell a call and ask him if he knows what this thing is exactly for.
All right, let's see. How about this thing?
What's in this box?
I don't even know. Just threw it in there.
The heck is this? Start, no start, run. This has got like spark plug wires on it almost. Test procedure. It's got instructions on it.
Sounds good to read the instructions.
Oh, this is some kind of crude engine tester. It's supposed to be like a troubleshooting tool. Supposed to be able to hook it up to a non-working lawn tractor or engine, and it's supposed to be able to tell you what's wrong with it. Model 10 Interlock tester. To quickly analyze the solid state interlock system on riding mowers, garden tractors, tillers, and other types of outdoor power equipment.
There you go. That'll fix all your equipment in here, right?
Yeah, I don't think I need this thing.
All right, fine. I see how it is.
Let's see what this is. Exciter power supply. High voltage output. Use with care.
That's pretty cool.
May of 1986.
Well, it's still fairly new.
Well, still over 30 years old. Let's see, what is this thing? For troubleshooting generator. Oh, I know what this does. This thing will flash an armature on a generator. You know how we have that generator video and I flash the armature with a battery? That's what this does.
Well, how about that? Now you don't need to use the battery. You can just use
Right.
that.
You just plug this in and then you hook this to the positive and negative where the brushes go, and you can flash a generator with it. Well, that's pretty handy.
There you go. Another little toy to add to your collection.
Well, let's see what this thing is.
Oh, that's my favorite thing in the tub.
Why?
Because it looks cool.
Because of the pretty blue color.
Uh-huh. That's one of my favorite colors.
Maine, Chicago. Model 8450 analyzer. I think I know what this is. This is for testing like armatures. It's called a growler. And then you got these different test probes for testing stuff. Somehow testing high and low.
Doesn't look like it's working.
Well, I ain't got it plugged in.
Oh.
There's a new way to test these things. It's called buy a new one.
Oh, really? Well, Taryl, looks like that's everything out of there. Looks like you got some good stuff there.
Hold on there, Slippers. There's one other thing in that bin.
What? What the heck is that?
I don't know, Slippers, but this end looks like it goes on the post of a battery. And then it's got some connections here. Oh, I know what this is, Slippers.
Oh, the mystery solved. What is it, Taryl?
It's garbage.
What? Well, I got what I want. And if you want all that stuff, you can have it. Just give me $1,000.
$1,000? I'm giving you $1,000 for all this antique test equipment?
This is good stuff there. High quality stuff.
I'll give you, how about I give you a set of lawnmower blades for your lawnmower?
All right, I'll take a set of mower blades then.
All right, deal.
All right. Oh, whoa, watch it on the toy there. It's collectible. All right, well, I'm off. I got some errands to run. Have fun with all your new stuff.
Oh, so that's all there is to all this vintage small engine test equipment that Slippers had in that bin. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me, Instagram, follow me, Facebook, go to our web store, buy some of this nifty Taryl apparel, and as always, there's your dinner. I got my dinner. Woo! Yeah, look at that. I had that up to about 500 RPM right there. Oh, okay. All right. Now I understand. All right. Yeah. All right. Thanks, brother. All right, Farrell. You take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye. All right. I just got off the phone with my brother, Farrell, and he told me what this was for. Now, I'm thinking gasoline engines. I'm not thinking electrical. This was made by Taryl because they had corded products. They had a corded weed eaters and hedge trimmers. So that's what this high pot tester was for. If you were repairing corded tools, you would use this high pot tester to see if there was any voltage leaking out. So that's what that was for. So Farrell, he knew, because this is some old school stuff. So you could use that for checking any kind of corded tool. Drills, grinders. That's what that's for. This adapter, he told me, because I'm like, what are you checking with this where you're plugging something in and, plugging it out? This was because Briggs and Stratton had made electric motors for a walk-behind push mower. So this adapter was for testing that electric motor, that 110, 120 volt electric motor that was on a mower. He told me that Briggs had made these motors and supplied them to Lawn Boy. That's what he told me. So if you had an electric motor that came in and you needed to test it, this was the adapter for that. So that's what those are for. So my brother Farrell, he done fed me some dinner.
Is this all that crap Slippers had in that bin?
Junior, this isn't crap. This is vintage small engine testing equipment worth hundreds of dollars.
Yeah, well, it looks like a bunch of crap. Did he just give it to you or what?
Well, Slippers wanted $1,000 for it.
$1,000? You didn't give that to him, did you?
No, I gave him a set of lawnmower blades.
Oh, you really got one over on him.
Oh yeah, I made out like a fat rat.
Yeah, you made out like a grass rat.
Yeah!